Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 litre Civic Sport. Now of course this is finished in brilliant sporty blue, which is the most popular and in my opinion the best looking colour on this range of Civic. As you can see, we've got full LED headlights and LED fog lights. We've then also got these brilliant 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear now, as you can see, we've got the twin exhaust pipes at the rear. We've then also got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up there. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate, from which you can see here, including this little pull-out privacy shelf which does pull over, clip in, and then marry up with this visor here just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. You've then also got 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. Walking around the car now, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got full electric windows all round as well. In the front of the car, we've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got economy mode and your stop start on or off. Got a 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control which can be operated via the touchscreen display. We've then also got satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources just here. And then we've also got your Bluetooth hands-free, which all comes as standard within this display. You can also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto usability within that screen as well. We've got your volume, onboard computer controls, voice assistant, and your Bluetooth hands-free. These arrows here work between changing stereo stations on the infotainment system and of course controlling the onboard computer at the top. We've got your cruise control on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control, and then we've also got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. Moving to the middle now, as you can see, this car has done 31,568 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sport, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.